Hey everyone, this is Rachel coming to you live from Success Connect in Las Vegas. I'm on the SAC team here based in Vancouver. I'm joined by Mick. Hey Mick, how's it going?
Very well, thanks, and you?
I'm doing great. We're at the end of day 2 here, and I know that you gave a really great session this morning on seizing your data. Maybe you can tell folks a little bit about it and what you went over today.
Yeah, we decided to take a bit of a different approach. Rather than talking about technology for analytics, we talked about the strategy for analytics. We know there's a tremendous amount of hype in this area. Everyone's talking about analytics. I'm a big part of that. I love to see that happening, but I think underneath that there's a gap between the hype and the reality for a lot of organizations in terms of how do they make analytics become more of a core competency for their organizations. Technology is crucial for that, but it's more than the technology. It really is about deciding who are the decision makers you're going to influence, what data do you put in front of them, how do you help them to take action. So this morning we talked about how do you identify some of the barriers to success in analytics, what some of those key decisions might be in building a function, and then also how do you think about the next generation of analytics versus looking at recruiting and retention, which are the most common themes you tend to see. What else can we use the data for that really gets people interested and excited about the future of work and the kind of people they're going to be hiring and working with.
I love it. That's fantastic. So what are some new opportunities that customers can look forward to now?
Yeah, again, I think you've got to go beyond the basics. You've got to change the question based on the kind of workforce that you're operating in. What we're seeing are a number of different trends in terms of looking firstly at the total workforce management aspect of the company, and this has been a big theme for SuccessFactors throughout this conference. Using data to get more visibility into your contract labor, not just your retained full-time employees, is one big theme. Secondly, I love the idea about talking about hidden costs. What are some of those costs that are important and are material, but you don't tend to focus on? This morning we talked about absence management, spans of control, contract labor again, for example. And thirdly, I think really looking to wellness. We know that's, again, a huge opportunity for our customers, but often we tend to focus on individual health and well-being. I think there's a really great opportunity to look at the environmental aspects of wellness. So what kind of work do I do? What meetings do I go to? How often do I travel? Am I fully staffed as part of a team? So take a slightly broader look at analytics would be, I think, be great for many companies to look at.
That's great. And I know we're standing in front of the SAP Analytics Cloud pod as well. What are you excited about this new announcement?
It's really exciting. It's exactly where we want to be from a workforce analytics standpoint. We don't want to be on an island. We don't want to be siloed. We want to take the best of HR analytics, and we know it's a very complex data set, but we have thousands of metrics to help. But now you're blending that with an incredibly powerful tool that gives more flexibility to the end user to create those big data ad hoc projects that we're all talking about. Predictive is huge, of course, and SAP Analytics Cloud has a wealth of predictive analytics built in. So I think taking the best of what we've done over the years in the workforce analytics space, now coupling that with this powerful tool, it just gives customers so many more opportunities to do unique custom analytics projects.
I love it. And being able to leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence in the same tool is fantastic. So thanks so much, Mick. And if you want more information on the session, if you have the app itself, you can download the presentation from there. Make sure you follow us on Twitter, SAP Analytics, and also check out the website, sapanalytics.cloud, for more information as well. So thanks so much for watching.